So the plan is to run that all the way across here to that hole down there, see the hole? Also insulate the pipes. So first it looks like that, then you insulate it, it looks like that. So we want the air going out. Crimp side means airflow. So if the crimp side is on this side, it means the airflow's going Screw. We got our 6-inch pipe connected, because this is the size we need. Now we need to insulate that, and then finish the piping coming down, just like that. Almost seamless. So I basically measured it by height, and I put a mark. And then the elbow can come in, make its way that way. You know what I mean? Now that's how you run a range hood. Doesn't it look just fabulous? This is how you vent out any unnecessary smoke, steam, or any bad odors.